Children, let's we learn main course book in standard 7 English medium chapter number 15 visualizing solid shape. In previous video I explained exercise number 15.1. Today I am explaining exercise number 15.2, some topic drawing solids on a flat surface. Drawing solids on a flat surface. When we draw solid shape on a flat surface, the images are somewhat destroyed to make them appear three dimensional. जब भी हम कोई भी सॉलिड्स को फ्लैट सरफेस पे ड्रॉ करते हैं तो हमें थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप मिलता है. इट इज़ अ विजुअल इल्यूशन. यू विल फाइंड हियर टू टेक्निक टू हेल्प यू. फर्स्ट वन इज ऑब्लिक sketches and second one is isometric sketches. In oblique sketches we are using square paper sheet and in isometric sketches we are using dotted paper sheet. Now look here, oblique sketch. Oblique sketch, such a sketch of a solid is called an oblique sketch. You can use a square paper to draw such a sketch. Now here first we draw here flat surface, two dimensional, this type. Then another one here, backspace, this type. Now join it this line, and we are getting here solid shape on flat paper. Here length, breadth and height both are we want, so it is called solid shape. Now our isometric sketches represent on dot paper sheet. Isometric sketches represent on dot paper sheet. In isometric sketches the measurement also agree with those of the given solid. isometric sketch पेपर के हमें कोई भी ड्राइंग बनाना है तो हमें उसका मेजरमेंट चाहिए. व्हाट मेजरमेंट? जैसे कि 4 × 3 × 3, तो 4 × 3, 4 मीन्स 4 डॉट. वी आर यूजिंग 4 डॉट, देन 3 डॉट एंड अगेन 3 डॉट, दिस टाइप. नाउ हियर दिस sketch, this shapes you call 3D shapes. What? 3D shape. Now we solve here exercise number 15.2. Now next question here, the dimension of a cuboid are 5 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. Draw isometric sketch of this cuboid. Now here in isometric sketch paper, dot paper, first we are taking here 1 2, that means 2 cm, 1 2 3. We are taking 1 2 and 3 dots and join it, so it's 2 cm, 2 boxes, that means 2 cm. 1 2 and 3. We are taking 4 dot, 1 2 3 4, and here make 3 boxes, 1 2 and 3, and same as it is here 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and we are taking here 6 dots are there. We are taking how many dots? 6 dots and make here cuboid, and here 2, here 3 and here also 6. This is a cuboid. The sketch of cuboid on isometric sketches, isometric dot paper. Next exercise number 15.3. Before we start the exercise, now sometime when we look at combined solid shape, some part of it is hidden. In that case we have to visualize to solid shape. Cross section. We are taking any object and cut horizontally and vertically, and we are getting some shapes. Now here, what cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut and horizontal cut to the following solid? What cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut and horizontal cut to the following solid? We are taking a brick, and brick shape is what? Rectangle shape. its shape is rectangle. We are cut vertically. We are cut the brick vertically. They give rectangle shape. They give rectangle shape. And again we are cut the horizontally. The brick look like this type. We are cut in vertically. They look like a rectangle shape. And we are cut the brick horizontally. They look like again rectangle shape. Which shape? Rectangle shape. Now, and round apple. And round apple. Round apple you cut in between, so it's look like a circle. Vertically you cut it, it's look like a circle, and you horizontally also cut it also look like a circle. Round apple, it round apple vertically and horizontally both shape are same, circle circle. Now a die. A die shape is square shape. Die shape, die means dice. Die shape is square shape. You cut vertically, it's also look like a square. And you cut the solid horizontally, it's also look like a square. Now next here a circular pipe. A circular pipe, you cut it in vertically, it's look like rectangle shape. This shape is rectangle shape. And you cut it horizontally, the shape is circle shape. Which shape? Circle shape. The circular pipe, you cut it vertically, this shape is rectangle shape, and you cut it horizontally, the shape is what? The shape is circle shape. An ice cream cone. An ice cream cone, you cut it vertically. Which shape we get it? Think in your mind. So it is triangle. Which shape? Triangle. And you cut it horizontally, its shape is circle shape. Which shape? Circle shape. You get it here, circle shape. Now let's solve exercise number 15.4, question number 1. A bulb is kept burning just right above the following solids. Name the shape of the solid shadow obtained in each case. Attempt to give a rough sketch of the shadow. Attempt to give a rough sketch of shadow. A bulb is kept burning just right above the following solids. Above the following solid. Name the shape of the shadow obtained in each case. Here, first one. When a burning bulb is kept right above a ball, the shape of the shadow is circle. जब बॉल के ऊपर कोई बल्ब जल रहा है और बल्ब का शैडो, बॉल का शैडो गिर रहा है, तो वो शैडो विच शेप क्रिएट? सर्कल शेप क्रिएट. विच शेप? सर्कल शेप क्रिएट. अगेन हियर बल्ब, व्हेन बल्ब light and under the cylinder, circular pipe, it is called cylinder. Circular pipe, shadow of cylinder pipe, which is kept just below burning bulb is rectangle. जब कोई सर्कुलर पाइप के ऊपर हमने बल्ब रखा और वो पाइप का शैडो गिरता है, the shape is what? Which shape give? Rectangle shape is given. अगेन कोई बुक के ऊपर बल्ब है और वो बुक का शैडो गिरेगा, तो बुक भी रेक्टेंगल शेप ही रखेगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बुक कैसी है? ओपन है. सो ओपन होगी तो वो रेक्टेंगल शेप ही फॉर्म करेंगी. विच फॉर्म? क्रिएट हियर रेक्टेंगल शेप क्रिएटेड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हियर आर द शैडो ऑफ सम 3D ऑब्जेक्ट. When seen Under the lamp of an overhead project, identify the solid that match each shadow. Here a circle, a square, a triangle and rectangles are given. So, circle, it is a shadow of a spherical object, look like a cricket ball, football. कब सर्कल फॉर्म होता है? कोई चीज़, कोई थिंग हम कोई बल्ब के नीचे रखते हैं तो किससे सर्कल फेस सर्कल क्रिएट होता है? तो बॉल, लुक लाइक अ फुटबॉल आप रखो या क्रिकेट बॉल. देन हियर स्क्वायर, इट इज द शैडो ऑफ अ cubical object. It is the shadow of cubical object. Which object? Cubical object. Look like dice. Dice shape is the square shape. Dice shape is square shape. It is a shadow of a conical object, triangle or triangle. It is the shadow of a conical object. An ice cream and Christmas cap. Now here a rectangle. It is a shadow of a cuboidal or cylindrical object, brick or a cylinder pipe. Now question number 3. Examine if the following are true statement. Examine if the following are true statement. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of rectangle. The cube can cast a shadow in the shape of rectangle. True. If the source of light is on one side of the cube, then the shape of the shadow of a cube will be rectangle. Now next one, the cube can cast a shadow in the shape of hexagon. No, it is not true. It is not true. A cube cannot cast a shadow in the shape of hexagon. A cube cannot cast a shadow in the shape of hexagon. Now next topic here. A third way is by looking at it from certain angles to get different view. One can look at an object standing in front side, side side and top side. You can see the object front side means हम हमारे मुंह के सामने से कोई शेप्स देख रहे हैं, कोई ऑब्जेक्ट दे रहे हैं. साइड, वही ऑब्जेक्ट हम साइड से देख रहे हैं और टॉप मीन्स ऊपर की साइड से देख रहे हैं. तो when if we get different type of shape, different type of shape and size. Here it is called front face. This look like this type. It is front face. Then side face. It is side face and top face. Top face are same.